Hello everyone, welcome to Bites to Bliss. Today we are going to make a healthy version of coffee cookies which will be in the shape of little coffee beans. So for that we have the ingredients ready. We will need whatever I will tell one by one. You will need 1 cup and half cup whole wheat flour. You will need half cup jaggery powder. You will need 100 grams unsalted butter. You will need 3 tablespoons and half of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 3 teaspoons of instant coffee powder, and 6 teaspoons of milk, which we will warm it little later. So let's start. These are the main ingredients. Now we'll start with the procedure. We will need a clean bowl. Okay. And we will first take in the butter. Unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is cold but soft. And to that we will add the jaggery powder. Mix it well. We will mix it until it's creamy, light and little frothy. So your jaggery powder and unsalted butter is mixed already. Now to this we will add our whole wheat. Okay, this half cup we have kept for precaution if we need little more to add, else 1 cup should be enough. So for that we will take a sieve. Always sieve your dry ingredients. To this we will add half teaspoon of baking soda and our coffee powder, cocoa powder. We are not adding this half cup right now, only if we need it we will add. Sieving is necessary so there shouldn't be any lumps. To this we will add the milk and the coffee powder. So coffee powder first we add in the milk. You can increase or decrease the amount of coffee according to your taste. So we mix the coffee and the milk well. And before pouring that, let us mix all the dry ingredients with the butter and jaggery powder which we had mixed earlier. Give a nice mix. So the mix is ready. Now to this we will add the coffee. And we will use our hands to bring the entire thing into a dough. Now here you might feel a little wet on the dough part, and that is the reason we have get an extra portion of half cup whole wheat, so that we will put little by little to get a dough consistency. Do sieve it when you put it. And mix it again. we need a soft dough but not a wet one. So our dough is coming together. Always measure your butter on a weighing scale, kitchen's weighing scale. Now the dough has come. We will keep this in the refrigerator, rather in the freezer, for just 10 minutes, and in this 10 minutes you will heat your oven at 160 degree. So our dough is out of the freezer. It's been 10 minutes, it has been there, and now we will shape it in small round oval shape and make it in the shape of a coffee bean. So for that we will take the dough and mix it again little. And we will take small portion, roll it in your hand and do just take tiny portions like this. Okay, divide them. So now we have divided a little portion of the dough into tiny oval shaped coffee cookie beans in a shape like. So we will first roll it like this, give it a little oval shape look, and we will place it. For baking you can use two particular things, that is, one is baking paper, which is another name is parchment paper, that is available in the market, or the best thing that I love on which I love baking cookies is Silpat. This is also available in Amazon, very easily you can buy for your cookies and your biscuits, really easy to use. So we will place this each, make it round, then little oval, and then taper on the corners. You can give it a little, you can make a little size smaller also. So you taper it like this and place it. Shape it into oval, taper it like this and place it. So we do all the tiny balls like that and we come back. So we have shaped all the cookies just like coffee bean, and we will now give it a shape. Just take a knife or a spoon and with the edge just make a cut, light cut, don't cut it through, make a cut, make a cut like this. You cut all the cookies in between. So this is the way we have cut all the cookies, and now we will bake this at 160 degree for 15 to 20 minutes, but in between you need to check once so that it doesn't get burned. So the cookies are all ready now. I have baked them for 15 minutes and I've checked in between. So this is how, if you can see them, this is how it came, all in nice coffee shape. Hope you liked the video. Do make it and let me know how it turned. One tip I would like to give you is that the jaggery that you put powder, you can increase the quantity to another half cup with another, say, 4 to 5 tablespoons if you want a little sweeter, because jaggery powder is not in refined sugar, so the sweetness tendency should be less. So I don't like much of a sweet. You can increase the sweetness to another 5 tablespoons if you want it a little sweet. So this is how your coffee, whole wheat eggless coffee cookies shaped in the as coffee beans will turn out like this. Thank you for watching the video.